Tower cranes are indispensable tools in the construction industry, playing a vital role in lifting and moving heavy materials, equipment, and structures during building projects. These towering machines are remarkable feats of engineering, offering impressive lifting capacities and reaching great heights. In this video, we will delve into the purposes, types, operations procedures, pros and cons, and health and safety considerations associated with tower cranes in construction. Purposes of tower cranes. Tower cranes serve several critical purposes in the construction process. Lifting heavy materials. Tower cranes are primarily designed to lift heavy materials such as concrete, steel beams, and prefabricated components to various levels of a construction site. This ability to transport substantial loads helps accelerate the building process. Precise placement. Tower cranes allow for accurate and controlled placement of materials, facilitating the assembly of complex structures with precision. This is particularly important in high-rise buildings and large infrastructure projects. Efficiency and speed. Tower cranes enable faster construction by reducing manual labor and expediting the movement of materials, leading to improved project timelines. Versatility. Tower cranes can be adapted for various construction tasks, from laying foundations to assembling structural elements and installing facade components. Types of tower cranes. Several types of tower cranes are employed based on their design and functionality. Hammerhead crane. Recognizable by its distinctive shape resembling a hammerhead, this crane has a horizontal jib connected to a vertical mast. It offers high lifting capacity and is commonly used in large-scale projects. Luffing jib crane. This crane features a jib that can be inclined or luffed to a vertical position, allowing it to work in confined spaces and near other structures without obstructing their movement. Self-erecting crane. Designed for rapid assembly and disassembly, self-erecting cranes are compact and mobile, making them suitable for smaller construction sites or projects with limited space. Flat-top crane. Flat-top cranes have a horizontal jib without the traditional sloping top, enabling them to be closely positioned to each other on crowded construction sites. Operations procedures of tower cranes. The operation of tower cranes involves a series of standardized procedures to ensure safe and efficient performance. Assembly. Tower cranes are erected piece by piece, with the base anchored to a stable foundation. The mast sections are added vertically, and the jib is attached to the top. Load handling. A qualified operator uses the crane's controls to lift and move materials according to the project's requirements, taking into account load limits and balance. Communication. Effective communication between the crane operator and ground personnel, often facilitated by radios or hand signals, is crucial to prevent accidents and ensure proper load placement. Maintenance. Regular maintenance and inspections are conducted to ensure the crane's mechanical components and safety systems are functioning correctly. Pros and cons of tower cranes. Tower cranes offer numerous advantages, but they also come with certain drawbacks. Pros of tower cranes. High lifting capacity. Tower cranes can lift extremely heavy loads, making them suitable for a wide range of construction tasks. Versatility. They can be adapted for various project types and sizes. Efficiency. Tower cranes expedite construction timelines by streamlining material handling processes. Precision. Accurate load placement contributes to the quality and integrity of the final structure. Cons of tower cranes. Cost. The installation, operation, and maintenance of tower cranes can be expensive. Space requirements. Tower cranes require substantial space on construction sites, potentially limiting their use in constrained areas. Complexity. Operating tower cranes requires skilled personnel and comprehensive training. Weather dependence. Adverse weather conditions can impact crane operation and construction progress. Health and safety considerations for tower cranes. Safety is paramount in construction, and tower crane operations involve inherent risks that must be carefully managed. Operator training. Certified operators undergo specialized training to ensure safe and competent crane operation. Safety standards. Adherence to national and international safety standards is crucial to prevent accidents and maintain a safe work environment. Site planning. Proper site planning ensures that tower cranes are positioned and used in a way that minimizes risks to workers and nearby structures. Regular inspections. Routine inspections of the crane's mechanical and electrical components are essential to identify and address potential issues. Wind monitoring, wind speed and direction must be constantly monitored, and cranes may need to be shut down or operations adjusted in high winds. Please feel free to like, share and comment.